Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. You've probably seen some of our videos before that deal with angle top windows. Now we do them motorized, as I'm going to show you in a moment, but we've also done shades surrounding them that are manually operated. Now these could have been motorized as well, but they all do the same thing, which is provide great insulation, the level of light control that the client wanted, and here's how they work. We have it as a remote control, though it can be done also through an app, and it can be done through a gateway, which can automate things, but for now, to show you, I'm just going to hit the up button, and notice as all three shades are going up to the top. They stay flat until they hit the low part of the angle, and then you'll notice that the high side goes up. You'll notice it happening on the right side right now. It'll start to adjust and go up to the top. This system has 7-inch valances up at the top. That way when you notice and you look at the window from your perspective, you can see that it looks very, very clean. And I think that's a beautiful look. Coming down, they don't necessarily go completely flat when they lower, but they do when they hit the very bottom. One other factor that's really important is the top of that window is probably up at about 14 feet on the high side, maybe 15. And if you had to climb up there to change out batteries, that's kind of a pain. So what we did, and I'm just going to raise this one right here. If you look right here where my hand is, there's a battery pack. And we mounted that and ran cord down the side so that you don't have to go all the way to the top in order to charge it. There's a lot more we could talk about, but we hope that you'll reach out to us so we can assist you in sending you shades like this for your angle top windows. Thank you very much for watching the Kempler Design vlog.